A trust is a fiduciary relationship between a party who transfers an asset, or a settlor, and the asset's administrator, or a trustee, that exists to benefit someone else, or a beneficiary. Settlors typically create trusts by signing trust instruments, which are often the subject of legal disputes. In Timmons v. Ingram, a widow-trustee's interpretation of trust language really stirred the pot. Frank Timmons Senior had a will establishing a family trust and a marital trust. Frank Senior placed most of his assets in the marital trust and made his wife, Myrtle Ingrahm, the sole lifetime beneficiary of both trusts. The marital trust specified that upon Ingram's death, the two trusts would merge and all assets would be distributed per the terms of the family trust. The terms of the family trust stated that upon Ingram's death, assets would be divided into equal shares and distributed to Frank Sr.'s, quote, children, unquote. Frank Sr.'s will specifically defined children to include both adopted children and stepchildren. The terms of the family trust also stated that Ingram had a limited, lifetime power of attorney to distribute the trust, quote, to and among my then living lineal descendants, unquote. Neither the will nor the trust documents defined the term lineal descendants. When Frank Sr. died, he left two adopted children from his previous marriage, Frank G. Timmons Jr. and Jacqueline Timmons Foreman, who we'll refer to as the Timmonses. Frank Sr. also left 4 unadopted stepchildren from Ingram's previous relationship. In 2007, Ingram exercised her limited power of attorney to direct all family trust assets to her children, Frank Sr.'s stepchildren. This had the effect of excluding the Timmonses from their inheritances. The Timmonses filed suit in a Florida trial court against Ingram and other co-trustees, alleging that Ingram breached her fiduciary duty as a trustee because Ingram's children weren't Frank Sr.'s lineal descendants. Therefore, Ingram had no right to exercise her limited power of attorney. The trial court granted Ingram's motion for summary judgment, and the Timmonses appealed to Florida's Intermediate Appellate Court.